I've had my Ridgeline for almost 4 months now, and swapping out the factory floor mats for these OEDRO all-season liners was a small change that made a big impact. The fit, coverage, and durability have been spot on. What really stood out to me was the installation, ridiculously easy. I literally unboxed them in the driveway, gave them a quick shake, and dropped them in. No tools, no trimming, no pushing or tugging at awkward angles. The driver's side liner clicked right into the retention hooks, like it was made specifically for this truck. And, of course, it was. Same story on the passenger side. The edges lined up perfectly with the contours of the floor, and the coverage around the pedals and under the footrest is way better than what I had before. The rear liner actually came as 2 separate solid pieces, so all I had to do was lift up the back seats and slide it right into place. Took me less than a minute, and it even covers the floor section under the front seats and the underseat cargo area. That's a win, especially if you have kids, pets, or messy gear sliding around back there. The deep tray design holds onto dirt, mud, sand, whatever you drag in, and keeps it from getting into the carpet. For the price, this is one of those upgrades that just makes sense. Check out the link below for current pricing. It's a small change that goes a long way.